Hello and welcome to the system demonstration of the LPU-B DocHub. First, we'll be showing you how to access the LPU-B DocHub through Pirates Hub. First, in order to access the system application, you will need to log in to Pirates Hub. Follow the link below, check to agree, and then click LPU Batangas Microsoft account. After doing so, input your Microsoft 365 email and then input your password. After that, click Sign In. When you finally logged into the Pirates Hub dashboard, find and click the DocHub icon. Alternatively, you can search for it using the search bar. Here's the first thing you'll see once you click on the DocHub icon. It will be the same for both the CCAP editor and the other approvers. Now we'll show you how to approve a new document request as a CCAP editor. First, click Pending Requests on the sidebar. This will send you to the list of pending requests. Once you're there, go to the right side of the list and click View. This will then send you to the request form submitted by the requester. From there, you can choose which category the new document falls under, give the document a new document code, and most importantly, you can click View and see the content of the documents. You can start reviewing the document from here on. To close the document, simply click Cancel. Once you're done, submit the final document via clicking Choose File. Once you're finally done, go to the bottom of the form and then click Update. This will open a prompt and you only need to click Yes, Update. Here, we'll show you how to approve a revision request as a CCAP editor. Going back to the list of pending requests, find a request with a control station instruction of Revision. From there, go to the right side of the list and click View. Once again, choose a document category for the revision. It can be different or the same. After that, input a revision code for the document. Note that we start from 1. Once you've inputted the revision code, create a new document code for the revision to differentiate it from its old version. Afterwards, pick the affected document that will be revised. Most importantly, click View to see the contents of the revised document. Here you can review the new contents and changes the requester wants to revise the old document. Once you're done, click Cancel. Once you're finally done, go to the bottom of the form and then click Update. This will open a prompt and you only need to click Yes, Update. Now, we'll show you how to approve a deletion request as a CCAP editor. Once again, go to the list of pending requests and find a delete request if there's any. On the right side of the request, click View. From there, you will be sent to the delete request form submitted by the requester. There's not much you can do on the form beyond reviewing the inputted details and possibly adding your remarks if you need to decline the request. Once you're finally done, go to the bottom of the form and then click Update. This will open a prompt and you only need to click Yes, Update. Finally, we'll show you how to return a request as a CCAP editor. You only ever need to return a request if you reviewed the submitted document draft as too insufficient and in need of revision before being submitted as a new document. That's the same case for revision requests that does not actually bring any important revisions for the documents, and deletion requests that did not provide a proper reason on why the document needs to be deleted. On the list of pending requests, go to the right and then click View. Once you're at the request form again, click View on the draft document. Here you can review the contents of the document. You can use the tools above to point out any parts that need to be revised as well as any errors in the document. Once you're done, don't forget to click Save as pointed out by the arrow. After that, simply click Cancel to close the document. Finally, all you need to do left is to add your remarks on why you're returning the document. Once you've done so, go to the bottom and click Return. A prompt will appear and you simply need to click Yes, Return once you're sure of it. Now that we're done with the CCAP editor, it's time we move our attention to the rest of the approvers. The first after the editor will be the department head, followed by the data privacy officer approver, followed by the quality manager representative approver, and then finally the division head. The document will only be uploaded, revised, or deleted once the editor and the approvers approve the request. The 4 approvers will follow a similar step-by-step process, only slightly different from that of the CCAP editor. And now here's how to accept a request as an approver. First, you need to click Pending Approval on the sidebar. This will lead you to a list of documents that were already approved by either the editor or the other approvers but still needs your approval. From there, click View. It will bring you to the request form. Here's the biggest difference between the CCAP editor and the approvers. While the editor can pick and choose things such as the category, the only thing the approver can do is view the draft and final document alongside adding their remarks. To view the final document, click View. Here you can see the contents of the document that you need to review before giving your approval. Once you're done reviewing, click Cancel. After that, simply go to the bottom and click Approve. A prompt will open and you simply need to click Yes, Approve if you're sure. And now, here's how you return a request as an approver. First, on the same list of pending requests, click View. It will bring you to the request form where you can then review the submitted document by clicking View on the final document. If you find anything in the document that may need revision or any errors, use the tools above to point it out. Once you're done, don't forget to click Save before clicking Cancel to close the document. After that, add your remarks on why you're returning the document. Finally, go to the bottom and click Return. This will open a prompt, and the only thing you'll need to do is to click Yes, Return. Thank you for watching this video. Below is our contact info, and have a good day.